Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mackenzie Andrews, founder and chief commercial officer of Nanodropper. So back in 2018, I founded Nanodropper with my physician colleague after learning that despite having many treatment options available, glaucoma patients are continuing to lose their vision. This population still has a 25% lifetime risk of irreversible blindness, with poor adherence being a primary attributing factor to poor outcomes. Two of the biggest factors to poor adherence are early bottle exhaustion, with up to 83% of patients running out of their topical therapies before insurance kicks in for the next refill. This often leads to missed doses and additional costs for our patients. The second barrier is tolerability, with over 80% of glaucoma patients reporting some sort of adverse side effect from their medications. Our team saw these statistics as unacceptable for our patients and set out to design a solution. And that solution is smaller eye drops. We were pretty shocked to find that there is decades of historical data predating our company demonstrating that smaller drop volumes maintain therapeutic efficacy with a better safety and side effect profile. So that's why we developed the Nanodropper adapter. It's just a sterile medical device that twists right on top of the existing eye drop bottle and reduces droplet volumes to what's actually compatible with the physiology of the eye. Our clinical trials have now shown that with our device, we can reduce both local and systemic side effects, while not only supplying non-inferior efficacy, but actually superior efficacy to current drop volumes. Let's take a look at the data. Last year, we published a study looking at the IOP lowering efficacy of timolol administered by regular drops in orange and Nanodropper drops in blue. In this acute study, we saw no clinically significant difference in the IOP lowering efficacy between these groups. But we also measured heart rate in both groups, and what we saw is that patients administered drops with Nanodropper experienced less of a drop in heart rate, suggesting less systemic absorption of the medication and potentially an improved safety profile. Recently, we concluded a longitudinal glaucoma study where we had well-managed stable glaucoma patients put a Nanodropper on their existing drops. And by simply putting Nanodropper on their existing bottles, patients in the Nanodropper arm experienced superior IOP control over 12 weeks of use. This was an additional 9.6% decrease from their baseline pressures, and again, these were already stable patients. These patients were also 80% less likely to run out of their drops early and reported a 67% reduction in local side effects. To take these results one step further, Dr. Constance Okeke at Virginia Eye Consultants ran a pilot study with Rocklatan. In this study, she took some of her patients who had previously discontinued this drug due to side effect severity and had them try it again with Nanodropper. Her observations are that 3 out of these 4 initial patients had such significant improvement in hyperemia and discomfort with no loss of efficacy that they could actually resume use of Rocklatan with Nanodropper installed. These results really show that these current drop volumes are not only extremely wasteful, but actually harmful to our patients. And this really underpins the importance of optimizing drop volume for topical delivery, which is why we're not done innovating. In addition to our adapters that are currently in use in over 3,000 eye care clinics for formulations that are currently approved and on the market, we are officially unveiling our new suite of products that is enabling new drug developers to optimize drop volume ahead of approval. The first option in this suite is a new OEM tip that seamlessly fits into existing fill and finish lines to provide all of the benefits of microvolume delivery while being a perfect replacement for those existing products. The second product in this pipeline is a new single-use vial, which is the first microvolume delivery solution that is compatible with preservative-free formulations and enables manufacturers to fill with a lower volume as well. If your company is developing a new drug and you want to optimize drug delivery, minimize side effect profile, while reducing material waste, we are actively partnering with companies to revolutionize the new topical therapies coming to market. And with that, I invite you to join us on our mission to reduce cost, increase access, and promote eye health, one drop at a time. Thank you.